Kanami pite PP media hi patsom khajen esanten report na bol jilvin thudela ho hi debang en kisu thei tapon YouTube ten ni kho hapta phabe en khapi uvin na achang salin liwei nga weilang appeal aki bol zovin ahung hi thei kinin awmin hizong le esante thu hi steng le berin thu ho hi achan dinglom achan toka kisei jing ding a hi ji a hi tu chung hi gel khona nei ta ge sangjong le hi chi topic mangcha kin bol kit a hi in hi chi a hi ibon chawa apatna chai ne ge anung lut ta in vet su ke ki divin im ki ti movin hi tu chung Narendra Modi India Prime Minister pa Manipura steng le kukilen han chot lut hi 3 May 2023 a kona kumni le thali lunin 3 May a kona Manipur thumong mongjong ahung chot lut se helwa akama kona jong asu do lo hi in akama hin su do ayong chu hi chi an seikin in hi
राजस्थान की हो, घटना चाहे छत्तीसगढ़ की हो, घटना चाहे मणिपुर की हो।
Prime Minister pa Narendra Modi hung hi date 13 September 2025 ni hi in ichini kho a thangpi ai ho kite adinga se a black day a keban ni kho chu hi in hi Prime Minister Manipur hung vil hi Manipur history we na le Modi tailowa mi thumbo hin la in ama puma hi mili hi in amsa pension Indira Gandhi in 23rd September 1969 in ahung vilin ama man 1971 in ahung kinin abanin achapa Rajiv Gandhi in 5 April 1980 in ahung vilin abanin 1997 chun Atal Bihari Vajpayee in ahung vilin adang se hi Modi in ahung vil hi in aman amasa pena ahung vil hi 30 November 2014 hi in aban 4 January 2022 chile tu chung 13 September 2025 ba hung vil hi in ama dinga thum veina hitan akum matam dung zui hin tu chung hung vil hi achai na hita dingin political analyze bol hon asayun hi Prime Minister Modi tu chung Manipura hung hi Mizoram development project role ko man hondo na le amasa pena dinga Indian Railway Network by Rabi apat Sairang Railway Aizol tu kizot mat na le Mizoram in train thum Aizol tu darenga chele a Delhi Guwahati chele Kolkata ho by khetna thum na thai ho hung hondo pi hi in hi Prime Minister pa hunga chun helicopter a hung dinga om hi in ahin weather hoi lo ji in gari a lampi a hung thotan aman jong lampi a hung akipa na lamta hi jong ahu limpe na ana phongdo in hi hiti chun lampa peace gauna ahu limtan ahin eho esante to ikiboi naw ho imcha seido atapon Manipura dinga development project role 7300 chu phongdo in tikalwa lachun akam sunga boina thumomong pu lovin minute som ni lang ahu limin phai sung lang kangla adel kita nahi hiti chun kangla jong mipi asang aza in analam tu win Manipura thingmei kelai khom na len pen kor content boycott ana phun khum movin ahin mipi chu ana tamma ma jengin ana tingzo ma tapo win hiti chun phai sung kangla ajong lamka a ahu lim na bangin development project so thubo sei kitan chule government in ato do ho jong sein hiti chun atu sei ahu lim chu ana chai kitan hi hiti chun Manipura hole ho kukilian langa ho jong chu ama holim ngai no ma chi chang chu lungna pum lohang pum le thang to na len ta ni pumin in lang che o na ki jot ta win kala Modi in IDP so lamka sisipura ho hi in phai sunga ho hi in anaki mu pi in hiti chun e ho lang IDP so jong again thainau phaweb le angai cha nu phaweb ki sei manawin chele phaya e sante IDP sojong hiti chun alungge lu phaweb anike sei manowin hi ahin alang khana lungdon ta khat chu haitol sunga CSO ho ahi a MLA ho jong Modi hin akimu pipun e ho lang ho CSO ho ahi a chele adia pa party BJP MLA ho kisan chu akimu piding atiwa I chana angai to wang wachun PM Modi chun anikimu pi tapun iho langa zong BJP MLA ho zong sting le CSO ho zong fasita na movin iho lang BJP MLA hi chileng le saikot MLA pu Paulin Lalin the wire interview na a karan tha par koma asai them khat ga angai khlaw hi ti ve.
Karan, it's been a while, and thank you for having me on your show today. Quite frankly, we were happily anticipating the visit of the Honorable Prime Minister, and we had sought through the governor, the Honorable Governor, at least 10 minutes of the Prime Minister's time to be able to, register the anguish, the pain, the hopes and aspirations of the people that we represent. But when that was not granted, honestly, we felt a little disappointed. And the people also felt hugely disappointed because our Prime Minister is not willing to meet their representatives, at least for 10 minutes. Well, it is good that he came and he consoled those people in the IDP camps. That was a healing gesture. We appreciate that aspect of it. But honestly, it felt short of what we were anticipating and what we had expected.
You're also a member of the Prime Minister's party, the Bharatiya Janata Party. You're telling me that he refused to meet his own BJP MLAs.
That's the reality, and that's the sad part of it. And honestly, we felt within the party also, I mean, along with my other colleagues in the BJP, that if not all the MLAs, that our Prime Minister, being from our party, would at least hear us. But that was not to be. I don't know if it was the decision of the Honorable Prime Minister or was it managed by somebody else. But the sum total of it is we were a little disappointed, yes, Karan.
You were disappointed. You're saying that openly.
What's so secretive about that? We wanted to meet our Prime Minister to express the grievances of our people, their hopes and aspirations. And when your Prime Minister from your own party cannot give you even 10 minutes of his time, having come all the way to your state and to your district, won't you be disappointed, Karan?
Hiti chun Modi in tu chung Manipur hung vil hi Mizoram ko na hung pa hi bovin gel ho na mong na ya hung hi po itin India sunga Operation MP ho hi in phai sunga CSO ho chule Congress ho hi win aphat chum lo dan ana sei su ke win hi ang khana lamka langa Modi hung ding jana gol thang chapang akiman ho mi ni thado a lo jin zanin lamka sunga boina anom kinin security hole akidin te tuna anomin iti chun pha chum khat da kali zat ham khat ki boina sungzo chun lison amat ho chu SP pan en kote akowun an thado ngal ta win hi chi ho thu to ke sain mel hello go thang chapong ho hidinga gin mo ho chun lamka sunga keno external affairs papa u Kelvin inchu janin ana hal hapi kita win hi ti chun Modi hung hi ho a hi a esante adinga hi a development project so ahung phun thla tai lowa hi aphat chon nom lo hi ji chun central government chunga hin akoi a hi a tu gia hi alung thlai om tapon alung thlai lo na thu news interview dunga sei alo le changwala sei hi jing ta na hi hiti chun abula kunin Prime Minister Manipur hi ahung ho hi vetle mi thum mi li ho bo hi jing na lain achia chu Prime Minister ki ti khat Manipur amo hungji lo ji a hi uchung ahung hi ipi aphachum asei do lo wanga hi I khosung iweng su khana dinga in mai ta ahung hi ji a hi ama hung hi agei sang jong le nampi thu anat je a hi gel ho na kinia kin sim hi in hi chi video hi a hi in nami pi te ko ma achai na ga ke seinom chu hi a hi le Prime Minister pa Narendra Modi hung hi ho ding a hi a e sante ho dinga a hi a phat chum lo wa nga hi ho adinga kinep na khat chu hi a hi le that mei galhung ki patna e santen tha chimit dinga in gon wa patna hi tua hi ho lang hi political talks din muna thei dinga uma hi tan hi cho hi ive na hi le som ni lang thing noi ho zo sin hiti a hi gal han bol na wa hi hi chi din mun hi i ho yong i ge kha lu bu hi in hiti a chu wang sin na tam pi to jong le ven tu chung hi Delhi to direct nga center to ki ho thei dinga om pha na hi i ho hi khat langa gela hi le wang phat na ta i nei win hi chi a chu cho gel pumin tun Dr. Seilen Keno spokesperson aman national channel ho a interview a bol na wa a holim naga ngai hitin chi ho adinga tuni news bol now stengle video event na ho video kisiam na ho hi achai na hi sa ta hi ve
What has already been discussed, the purpose of the SO extension is to hold political dialogue so that we discuss our demands, our issues amicably in a civil way across the table. And that process should begin now, that the popular government that was and that is not now has not been able to scupper that process, which they were successfully doing so in 23-24. Now the governor's office has participated, and so we imagine proper dialogue will commence between the government of India, the state government, and us, and we'll find a solution so that we'll put an end to the misery that is being caused to both sides, particularly those in the relief camps. So our objective is to bring peace and normalcy, but with due process of justice as well as political status for us, so that we will no longer be under the majoritarian rule, which completely was involved with state cooperation in the genocide and ethnic cleansing of the Kuki people from the valley.
You're saying it was the Meitei groups and the former that was responsible for blocking the talks so far?
Yes, definitely. It was open. The state cabinet took a unilateral decision to abrogate SOO in February 2025. And preceding that, on the 24th of January, the Arambai Tengal summoned the legislators, including the Union Home Minister of the Union and the Rajya Sabha MP at Kangla Fort, which was formerly Assam Rifles, and dictated that, and they had about 5 demands, and one of them was to abrogate SOO. And subsequently, within weeks, the Manipur State Legislative Assembly took a unilateral decision and abrogated SOO. So it has been in limbo all this while until governor's rule came, if I may underline that, and there is justice beginning to manifest. So we are hopeful that the government will be responsible as they have shown, and they will take this process to its logical conclusion.